Introducing the G-shaped end table, a sleek and versatile side table perfect for small spaces. This stylish table, measuring 26 by 25 by 16 inches, brings both function and flair to any room. With 3 open-tier shelves, it's more than just a table, it's a multi-functional storage solution. Whether you want to keep your books, display decor, or even place it next to your couch, this table adapts effortlessly. It transitions smoothly from an end table to a nightstand, plant stand, or coffee table, enhancing both living rooms and bedrooms alike. Crafted with durability in mind, this end table features a sturdy steel frame that can hold up to 80 pounds, making it as reliable as it is stylish. The design embraces a timeless aesthetic, blending clean lines with a neutral brown wood finish that complements various decor styles. This high-quality frame ensures that the table remains stable, adding a touch of elegance to your space. It's an investment built to last, ready to serve as a practical addition to your home for years to come. A standout feature is its rustic design. The vintage-inspired wood top and solid black steel tubing bring a cozy and warm vibe to any room. This combination not only adds character, but also provides a peaceful ambiance, making it an ideal piece for any setting where relaxation is key. It's the perfect companion to help you unwind with your favorite book or a cup of coffee, transforming any corner into a welcoming retreat. The G-shaped end table is also a breeze to set up, with assembly taking only about 10 minutes. Its large 12-inch tabletop and convenient height of 26 inches make it ideal for a laptop, light dining, or as an occasional work surface. In any space, this end table is ready to impress. It's compact yet versatile, stylish yet practical. Elevate your home with this modern and functional side table,